The Bear and the Beehive.
Once upon a time, a carefree bear roamed about in the jungle. He had enough to eat, and a safe hollow of a tree to rest and to sleep. On the tree, the bees built their hives. The bear took no notice of them. Then one day, a stray bee stung the bear. The pain was not severe, but the bear grew terribly angry.
How dare you, little bee! I will teach a lesson to all of you.
He decided to hit back the entire beehive. As he kicked the beehive in great rage, the whole army of bees descended on him. Hundreds of them stung him all over his body. He cried with pain.
Ooh, oh!
But there was nothing he could do about the flying bees.
I wish I could have kept my anger in control.
Moral: what cannot be cured must be endured.